Everyone, thank you for joining us once again. In this tutorial video, we're just going to be going over the advanced user search that we have recently implemented into the site. So it's just once you're registered or logged in, you're going to see this search bar at the very top center of the platform. This is where you can universally search any users, both student and employer, and also see any listings. So let's just go ahead and search common name Sarah. So we happen to have Sarah Smith, and we even have an organization under Sarah. If there's many users under the name Sarah, then you would be able to refine by the different industries, by their locations, by their majors as a student. So this specifically pertains to the student if they're in college. So let's say we want to check out what's this. So the recruiter's name is Sarah Newcomb. She is the executive director, it looks like, of the Estero Chamber of Commerce. You see there their bio about the Estero Chamber. They even have an opportunity listed. Let's go ahead and just search John. Alright, so there's one John under Bubba's Roadhouse Saloon, as well as John Hawks and John McQuaid, two student users. Okay, and we'll just do one more. Let's see. So we have a few Connors. I guess I have two users. I'm going to go ahead and guess that's because I have over the months created multiple Connor admin users, so I should probably get rid of a couple of those. But here we just see another Connor Bloxham, which is a student here we have in the platform. And honestly, that's pretty much it. Let's just see. Say we knew Scotland was a registered user. Boom. It's going to go ahead and even pull up their two postings that they have, as well as their organizational profile. So this is just a way for you to navigate the whole platform, searching different users, making it very effective for you to find any users and communicate directly with them. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is our user search.